Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about today's product because it is one of those viral products that's all over TikTok. I bought it on Amazon and it's the DEROL Lip Maximizer. So it's a lip plumper. I bought the day version, which is $9.99 on Amazon. And first impression, I am shocked by how small it is. So I better be getting my money's worth. This better really work. But I love lip plumpers. I want bigger lips, but I don't want to have to get lip filler. So I love to try out lip plumpers and find lip hacks that make my lips look plumper. I also have very dry, chapped lips, so plumping lip products are a great way to give hydration to my very dry lips. I'm not familiar with this brand DEROL. I think it might be an Asian beauty brand. It says it has ginger in it. So I want to do a before and after picture of my lips, so I will insert one at the end of this. But so it's cute packaging, looks like a little pill. I'm bummed about how small it is for $10, but we'll see how well it works. It has this rounded applicator. It really doesn't smell like anything. It slightly smells like vanilla, but no, not much of a smell to it. Oh, what's also a bummer is I wanted to go set this down, but you can't do that because it's rounded. So not a big fan of this packaging, but let's see how it is on my lips. It's totally clear, but we'll see if it does darken my lips a bit, because with some of the intense lip plumpers, it does darken my lips. I do feel like that's happening. I immediately feel the stinging and burning. It has pretty shine. It's a nice lip gloss. The texture is very similar to a lip gloss. I mean, it is a lip gloss texture. It's not super thick, but not super thin either, just right in the middle of a classic lip gloss texture. But it does have that nice high shine, which also adds to the illusion of plumper lips. I feel like I need to wait a little while to give this time to see results. And the burning, stinging, it's not getting worse. So it's not bad at all. You start feeling the burning, tingling right away. I was expecting it to progress and burn more over time, but it's just staying that same level of burning, which is not much at all. It's not even uncomfortable to me. I might have a slightly higher tolerance for tingling, plumping lip products since I love them and I use them a lot, but the other lip plumper that I use a lot, it's from Too Faced, the lip injection. I think that one might have more discomfort to it, in my opinion, than this one here. That Too Faced lip injection, it's a great one. It's a plumping one. It definitely makes my lips more red, but it also almost like irritates my lips so much with how intense the plumping is on it that it makes the outline of my lips like irregular, you know, like because they look inflamed. It's not like a smooth, natural edge to my lip anymore. And that is not happening with this lip plumper. It also really does not seem to be making my lips any darker either. So I would say this is a less irritating lip plumper. And now I've had it on my lips for a while, and it still is stinging the same. Like the stinging is not subsiding the way I would have expected it to after a few minutes, but my lips are not getting any bigger either. They're also not looking any more hydrated. I wanted all of those lines in my lips to go away, but my lips still have some texture, and there's even lip oils, lip glosses out there that are not plumping. They don't tingle my lips, but they smooth out my lips more than this here. So my conclusion on this DEROL Lip Plumper is that it actually doesn't really plump the lips. It just gives such a long-lasting, strong burning sensation on the lips that it makes you think that it's plumping your lips and doing something, but it's really not. It's not more hydrating than a regular lip gloss. It's not more plumping than a regular lip gloss. So let me insert a before and after photo of my lips, and you can see the color is pretty much the same. The size of my lips is pretty much the same. The only real difference is some shine and a little bit more hydration, but for my dry lips, this isn't even giving me enough hydration because I want those lines in my lips to go away more. I want my lips to look smoother, and I'm able to get that with other hydrating lip products. So I am going to continue wearing this. I'm not going to remove it. So I'll let you know in the description down below the wear test results. Like, will my lips actually get any bigger as time goes on? We will find out, and I will update you in the description down below. But I would love to hear in the comments down below if you have tried out this lip gloss as well. It's, in my opinion, my recommendation, not the best lip plumper out there. My recommendations for awesome lip plumpers, well, the Too Faced lip injection that I was already talking about, but the Grande lips. The lip glosses, I actually had a set of 3 and I used up all of them because I love them. They come in clear and tinted, and the packaging is awesome. It's like the click up kind of packaging. You can get it at Ulta and Sephora, so I'll have that Grande Lip Plumper linked in the description down below because that would be my recommendation. I have used that lip plumper a lot. I have used up multiples of it, so that's my favorite. That's the one where I actually see a visible difference in my lips and in the hydration, and I love that it comes in colors and tinted, so you can still get that lip color plus the shine plus the plumping, less discomfort than this one here. But I would also love to hear in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for lip plumpers that you love, because clearly I love lip plumpers and I'm so open to trying more. Or if there's others that you want me to try out, just let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.